Hello everyone. Today in our class we will discuss meaning of a tournament and types of tournament. There are three types of tournament: knockout, league and combination of both of these. So let's move ahead. Meaning of a tournament. Tournament is a series of sports competitions or matches between two or more teams to find out a winner. In a tournament, only one team or one individual became winner and remaining teams lose the matches. There are many factors which affect the tournament, like number of teams and availability of grounds and venues, etc. Now let's discuss the types of tournaments. First type is knockout tournament. In knockout tournament, if a team loses a match, the team gets eliminated from the tournament. They don't get any chance in knockout. Knockout tournament, let me repeat again. If a team loses a match, is straight away get eliminated from the tournament. Whereas in league, every single team used to play with every other opponent in single league tournament. League tournament is divided into further subcategories: single league and double league. In single league, every team used to play with every other opponent once, and in double league, every team used to play with every other opponent twice. Now, advantages of knockout tournament. The knockout tournament are less expensive because the team which get defeated is eliminated from the competition. The knockout tournament is helpful in enhancing the standard of the sports because each team tries to present the best performance to avoid the defeat. Owing the less number of matches, it requires less time to complete the tournament. Minimum number of officials are required in organizing such type of tournament. And knockout tournament are organized in situations when number of participating teams are too high. There are certain disadvantages as well. There may be many chances of elimination of good teams in initial rounds. There are maximum chances of weak teams to enter in final round. Spectators may not have enough interest in the final match in such situations. Now, advantages of league tournament. Only real player or team has best potential will be the winner in such type of tournament, because every team is participating in this tournament and competing with every other opponent, so there is no chance of weak team coming up. Charm of the tournament still maintained throughout the tournament. Good team player will continue throughout the tournament, so the chance of selection of good player is still alive. There are certain disadvantages of league tournament as well. As every team is participating in this tournament and competing with every other participant, number of matches is high, resources required is high, so more funds are required, more time is required, results come late because number of matches is too much. Requirement of more number of officials and grounds are there. More equipments are needed because league tournament is a basic tournament in which every team is competing with everybody in spite of winning or losing, and ultimately the winner will be selected on the basis of the points. Next is combination tournament. Combination tournament are organized in zones or groups. Whereas there are large number of teams, combination tournament facilitate the physical education teachers' job. It gives them elbow room to try out new experiments. For example, if number of teams are 16, We can divide those 16 teams in 4 groups or zones, and ultimately one winner from each zone is going to compete in next phase. Combination tournament is combination of both knockout and league. There are 4 basic types of combination tournament: knockout come knockout, league come league, knockout come league, and league come knockout. We'll discuss all the structures and how to make fixtures in our next video.